So like I said, you can let this dry naturally to a leather hard state, or if you're a little bit more impatient like me, you can use a torch. Turn your torch on. Start spinning the turntable. And hold the flame up against the bowl. As you're spinning it, try to keep it pretty even. And just go all the way around. It's going to take several minutes to get this dried to a leather hard state so that it's firm enough to turn out of this mold. But off camera, I went ahead and torched this for a couple minutes before this. So it should be firm enough to turn out after just a little bit more torching. And again, with the torch, the key is just to keep the flame moving. You want a consistent drying, and you don't want to hold it in one place for too long because it'll cause the piece to crack. So once you've done that, and you've got it consistently dry, a leather hard state is when you can't really rub it very much with your finger, but you can put your fingernail into it very easily. This is slightly under leather hard because I can move it a little bit with my finger, but I think it's going to be firm enough to turn out. So I'm going to put a bat on top of it, and then I'll flip that over and remove the mold. So like I said before, you can see the texture of the coils on this bowl. I'm going to flip it right side up. But on the inside, it's smooth, and on the outside, you've got that nice texture. So that's a really good effect that you can get with coil building.